Want to lose weight, lower your blood sugar, or just feel better every single day? You don't need another crash diet. You need foods that are clean, filling, and won't spike your insulin. Today, we're counting down 22 of the healthiest foods with zero sugar and virtually no carbs, and some of them will surprise you. Let's get right into it. Arugula. Don't let the fancy name fool you. Arugula is a workhorse. It's peppery, flavorful, and packed with vitamin K, which your bones and blood love. At just 3 grams of carbs per 100 grams, arugula also supports liver detox. Toss it in salads or add it on top of eggs. It brings the bite and the benefits. Bold and bitter, Radicchio isn't just pretty, it's powerful. It has zero sugar and is rich in lutein, which helps protect your eyes from aging. Plus, it's a folate powerhouse, making it a smart pick during pregnancy and for cell repair. Shred it raw or roast it for a deeper flavor. Dandelion Greens. Yes, those wild greens in your yard? Superfood status. Dandelion greens only have 2 grams of carbs and are packed with inulin, a prebiotic fiber that feeds your gut. They're also one of nature's best natural liver cleansers. Bitter? Yes, but worth it. Spaghetti squash. Swap your noodles. Spaghetti squash has just 7 grams of carbs and absolutely no sugar. It's gluten-free, low-calorie, and surprisingly filling. Roast it, fork it, and top it like pasta, but without the carb crash. Spinach and asparagus. Spinach is the quiet superstar. Just 3 grams of carbs, 0 sugar, and packed with heart-healthy nitrates to lower blood pressure naturally. Right next to it on your plate, asparagus. Only 3 grams of carbs, rich in folate, and great for detox and red blood cell support. Eat them steamed, grilled, or raw. Your body will thank you. Broccoli. Broccoli is a classic for a reason. It has just 6 grams of carbs and less than 1 gram of sugar, but it's what's inside that counts. Sulforaphane, one of broccoli's key compounds, is a potent anti-inflammatory and even shows anti-cancer properties. Steam it, roast it, or eat it raw. It's one of the most powerful veggies you can put on your plate. Cabbage. Don't underestimate the crunch. Cabbage brings 5.8 grams of carbs and a hit of natural sugar, but it's packed with vitamin C to boost your immune system. It's also a budget-friendly way to bulk up meals and support gut health. Ferment it into sauerkraut or shred it raw for slaw. It's versatile and protective. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a low-carb legend. With just 5 grams of carbs and 2.5 grams of sugar, it's a favorite in keto kitchens, and for good reason. It's high in fiber, gentle on your gut, and supports the lining of your digestive tract. Blend it into mash, make it into rice, or bake it into crust. Celery and carrots. Celery is the hydrating hero. Only 2 grams of carbs and full of a unique compound, 3-NB, that supports blood vessels and reduces inflammation. Add a smear of nut butter, and it's a clean snack that works for your heart. Carrots are slightly higher in carbs at 9 grams, but worth it. They're loaded with beta-carotene, which your body turns into vitamin A for strong vision and skin. Chard, cucumber, and eggplant. Chard is a leafy rainbow with benefits. At 4.7 grams of carbs, it's rich in polyphenols that reduce inflammation and help protect your DNA from damage. Cucumbers are water-rich and carb-light, just 2 grams of carbs and nearly no sugar. They're incredibly hydrating and may even carry anti-cancer benefits. Eggplant brings 3.5 grams of carbs and loads of fiber, but its real secret weapon is nasunin, an antioxidant that protects brain cells. Lettuce. Lettuce is more than just filler. It's crisp, hydrating, and extremely low in carbs. With under 3 grams of carbs and just 0.5 grams of sugar, it's a perfect base for wraps or salads. Plus, it provides beta-carotene, which helps protect your eyes and skin. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are medicinal in the best way. With 3.2 grams of carbs and just 0.5 grams of sugar, they offer powerful immune-boosting beta-glucans and anti-cancer compounds. Sauté them in olive oil for a simple side that works overtime. Zucchini and Brussels sprouts. Zucchini is light, hydrating, and only 3.1 grams of carbs. It's loaded with eye-supporting antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, and it's amazing spiralized into noodles. Brussels sprouts? They're nutrient-packed with 5.5 grams of carbs and 2.2 grams of sugar. Rich in glucosinolates, they support detox and may help fight cancer. Kale and olives. Kale might be the king of greens. Just 4.3 grams of carbs, under 1 gram of sugar, and full of antioxidants, fiber, and nutrients that support detox and lower cholesterol. Olives are little fat bombs. healthy ones. With 4.8 grams of carbs and zero point 0.7 grams of sugar, they're rich in oleic acid, a fat that helps reduce inflammation and protect your heart. Seaweed and bone broth. Seaweed is carb-free, sugar-free, and packed with iodine, essential for thyroid health. Whether it's nori sheets or seaweed snacks, this is a clean, mineral-rich option. Bone broth finishes the list strong. It has 0 carbs and is rich in collagen and amino acids that repair your gut lining, reduce joint pain, and support skin elasticity. You don't need sugar or carbs to enjoy food that's full of flavor and nutrients. These 22 foods prove it. They're vibrant, satisfying, and each one works for your body, not against it. Whether you want to lose weight, manage your blood sugar, or just feel sharper and stronger every day, this list gives you real options. No gimmicks, no processed junk, just clean, whole foods that nourish from the inside out. Stock your fridge with these. Mix and match them. Build meals around them. You'll notice a difference in your energy, in your cravings, and in your clarity. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who's cutting sugar. You could make their day. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.